Hi there, I'm Eddie and I'll be showing you how to use the email marketing system on your online business. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective and easiest options for a small business to market themselves. It's a great way to keep in touch with your past customers, and it's also great for keeping prospects warm. You can target a qualified audience with regular communication about your new products and services, special offers and limited discounts, or just general news and announcements about your organization. All the tools that you need to design and send an email campaign can be found underneath the Marketing tab. You've got an email campaign manager, a mailing list manager, and there's also a tool to segment your customer database to create highly targeted mailing lists based on customer data. We're now going to quickly run through creating an email campaign. There's a wizard in the sidebar to guide you through all the steps of sending an email campaign. Step 1 is to choose a type of email campaign you want to send. You can either send a one-off email to a list of recipients, or create an email campaign that sends emails to your customers at a certain time after they've been added to the mailing list. For example, you can set up an email campaign that sends a welcome letter to each new customer the day after they've signed up. You'll be sending a one-off email here. In step 2, you'll need to fill in the campaign details. Here, we have to give the campaign a name, you'll also need to set the delivery date and time for the email. This means you can schedule your email campaigns in advance. We need to fill in the from name, the from address, and also give the email a subject. This is what the recipient will see in their inbox when they receive the email. Another email option that you can control is whether the email is in text or HTML format. Using HTML format will let the system track the performance of your email. It will also let you use the built-in layout templates. Moving on to step 3, you now need to choose a list of recipients your email newsletter will be sent out to. You can either make a new mailing list for sending emails or send it to your entire database. Let's quickly make a new list here and add a few recipients manually. I'm just going to add my own address here, but you can add a few more addresses if you want, such as your friends and your colleagues. As your online business gathers leads and customers, your database of opted-in recipients will grow, and you'll be able to create mailing lists automatically. Now you're up to step 4, let's have a bit of fun. You're going to choose a layout for your email newsletter. Your online business comes with over 150 professionally designed email newsletter layouts for you to use. You just have to select the industry and the style, and there's a layout to suit your business. Once you've chosen a layout that matches your branding, click on Use Template, and this takes us to step 5. Now you've got a sample email newsletter that you can edit with your own content in the WYSIWYG editor. All the usual text editing tools that were available for editing your web pages are also available here. Just remember to use the Image Manager to change your newsletter images, and the Hyperlink Manager to create links from your email. One thing you'll notice that's different is that you have a tag selector here. You can think of tags as useful codes that tell your online business what to put into your newsletter for each recipient. Let me explain. In the first line of your email, you have a recipient first name tag. When the email is sent, the system will replace this tag with the first name of the recipient it's going to. There's also a View in Browser tag at the top, and what the system will do is replace this tag with a link. The link allows the user to view the email newsletter in a browser instead of the email client. There's many other tags here for email newsletters, but you'll be covering these in more advanced videos. Just like web pages, you have a Save button, which saves a working copy of your email newsletter, and a Save and Send, which publishes your email newsletter and sends it according to the schedule that you've set. Let's save a draft first. Our final step is to preview our email. This is what the newsletter will look like when the recipient receives it. You'll notice here in the preview pane that the tags have been replaced by names or links, depending on the tag. And if you want to do one final test on your email, you can click the Email Me button, which will send a test copy of your email to you only. Once you're sure that your email newsletter is ready for sending, you can click Save and Send, and you've successfully sent your first email newsletter. That finishes our quick tour of email marketing. There's links to more advanced topics related to email marketing underneath this video. And if you want to move on to the next topic, it will be reporting and analytics. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you next time.